We bought this van for £817.50 at a vehicle auction. It had a flat battery, no keys, and a smashed driver's side window. We're taking you along with us as we renovate it into our tiny tour van for European adventures with our pups.
Where's the dipstick in this thing?
Why would they make the dipstick inaccessible? That seems counterproductive.
Anyway, let's get the door done.
Today, we're replacing the driver's side window.
This is the window. I ordered this window the same day that we won the bid on this van, and they actually tried to deliver it yesterday. So that was super speedy delivery. £75, and it included the delivery cost. It's really impressive.
Right, so that's a tiny little screw in there. Clean this out and then see if I can get... To be honest, this tool set, every single tool is always the wrong size. Alan.
One of the most tedious jobs was removing all of the shards of glass. There were hundreds of tiny pieces and they were everywhere.
So that there? Super annoying. All the videos are like, this is the car that I'm going to work on. Then they're not actually the same. Just hold it there.
Yeah, I'll go to the other side. Okay.
Need to clear that out.
I can clean that out.
Just be careful.
Yeah, I'll just use a butter knife.
Don't use a butter knife.
I don't think it's been going as smoothly as we thought it would, but it is getting done. Peter's put me on the easiest job that he could put me on, but also I feel like this is a bit of a scary job because the whole purpose for taking this apart was to replace the broken window, and the most likely person to break the window before it goes back into the van is me. No pressure. Right now the paint's flecked and it's stuck to other places on the window, so that's great. I guess this is why people use disposable towels to clean windows, but I didn't want to waste paper. We don't have disposable towels in our house.
There's 2 holes at the bottom of this door, so if I get most of this glass out, the rest will come out eventually.
You're greasing it up.
Not putting much because it will probably break it if I put too much on. Right, next, put the window in.
It's already window putting in time?
Yeah. I have to take it back out. That's gone in correctly. I'm going to have to take it back out and clean the tracks because there's still glass in them.
Hey, but it's nice to know it fits.
Yeah.
Barbecue skewer.
He's allowed to use a barbecue skewer, but I wasn't allowed to use a butter knife.
Cool. So anyone watching this with no YouTube videos on older models to get the door card off, so you just have to unscrew the little screw in the handle and then it's just the pop caps. On the newer models it looks like there's a lot more screws, but again this isn't a instructional video, this is more a what not to do. You should get another shot at this. I just have this vision of screwing this in, all nice, sense of accomplishment, and then doing the window up and it just shattering.
Oh, stop it. Why would you even say that?
I think it's always healthy when you're doing these kind of things to think about all the worst eventualities, because then it makes you think, maybe I should do this before I do this. That's why, because I have no flipping clue what I'm doing if it's not obvious. Moment of truth time. I'm a bit scared. the door card back on now. And that does sound quite laboured, and I don't know if that was like that before, but
The window?
guessing it'll get better when some more of the shards come out.
Yeah.
This was a messy job. We had a lot of sweeping up to do after.
Probably should replace these clips, but we're not going to do that, are we? I didn't put that on the right way. I think that hooks over the top like that, and then clips in. And then all the clips fall off like that. So that's good, isn't it? I see. It's one of the annoying things about the clips is if one of them comes out and then you put them in the wrong slot and they're in there. This one stayed in the door instead of coming out with the... Do you remember what I told you last night?
No.
How I thought that putting the window in was going to be the easiest bit.
We're pretty excited to get to work on the actual renovation, but before we sink any more money into this project, we've got to get Vincent to the shop to make sure he's mechanically fit for adventures.
And just like that, like and follow for more 2-hour, 20-minute video quick tips.
Twips. What time is it?
Well, it's only 1. That's okay. We just need to clean up there.